Hi, I'm Are. Welcome to my channel. Now I'm gonna show you how to make YouTube thumbnail for free with Canva tool. Well, let's start. First, I will resize my camera on screen. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you this tool. This is tool for removing background for your image, and you can Google it, remove image background, and find a great tool for you. But this tool is good enough for this thumbnail. And let's resize that and drop your image here. Wait a few seconds. And when it's done, download your image. It's look cool. Put it on, move it on background. We have a transparent photo for your thumb. We can find Canva. Go to create design and YouTube thumbnail. It's moment to be creative and search for a perfect design for us. I'm not sure we can. No, this is we want to find free design, maybe something like that. And delete this object, then put your image here, resize it, and type your title. Maybe how to make YouTube thumbnail. Change font size. As you can see, it's look perfect. We can change this font, this this letter color, or I don't know. But this is one idea. no. And another idea is to put image without a transparent background. Maybe we can duplicate this slide. Delete this. Find these frames. This shape is okay. And put your image in this shape. Double click on this shape and move image. As you can see, this looks like a good job with in 2 minutes of work. Of course, now it's up to you to design a little longer than me to do great job. This is just example. We can go to the last step. File, download. Choose one image if you want. I want this. Click done. Download. And download your thumbnail. Take a look. Thank you very much for watching. That's all. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.